Namaste everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yoshita and I'm a certified yoga teacher. So today's topic is yoga for arm and wrist strength. Most of you always wonder how these yoga people they do the handstand, the elbow stand and these arm balancing postures very easily. But it is not about the easiness, it is about the technique that we apply in the posture. If you know the techniques how to build the strength in your shoulders, it will become very easy to do these asanas in the advanced way. So today in this class we will do some of the techniques will help to build the shoulder and the wrist strength. So let's get started. The first one, this is known as the Chaturanga push-ups in the kneeling position. So we have to start in the tabletop position, bending your knees from the back and interlock your ankles. Then slowly you have to bend your elbows like this inwards and leaning your body forward. So it will go like exhale down and inhale up. Make sure that you don't do back bends like this. It will cause you lower back pain. Okay, so you have to engage your core and then do the 5 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we have to try and hold there for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, slowly come back. Take a breath here and release. Now we go for the second one, that is known as the Hindu push-ups. So in this we have to drop the palms down, tuck the feet in and come in the downward facing dog. From here we go to Chaturanga, so slowly go forward and then the upward facing dog and then the down dog. We'll repeat this 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And slowly hold there for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Drop your knees down. Take a small break. Inhale and exhale. Okay, so now we'll do the third one, that is the normal plank push-ups. You have to come in the plank position and then drop your elbows out and do the push-ups for 1, 5 times, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now hold in the plank, tuck your core in, lean forward for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Drop your knees down. Take a small rest. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Okay, so the next one is the down dog push-ups. Here you have to come in the downward facing dog. Just tuck your elbows in and you have to drop your elbows up and down like this for 1, but do not drop it on the floor. 2, 3, 4. Keep stretching your spine back and 5. Now bend your elbows down and stay for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly drop your knees down. Take a small rest. Inhale. Exhale. Now the next one is we are going to hold in the dolphin pose. So slowly you have to drop your elbows down and then tuck your toes in, lift your knees up and then walk closer to your body. Now you have to lift your heels up, stretch the shoulders up and look to the floor. Stay there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly drop your knees down and come up to the center. Take a deep inhale and deep exhale. Relax. Now the next one is we have to hold in the elbow plank. So slowly drop your elbows down, then tuck your knees up, and you have to roll your hip down and stretch the core up. Make sure shoulders and core are up. It should not be flat to engage the core. And stay there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring your knees back. Come back to the center. Take a deep inhale and deep exhale. Relax. Okay, so now the next one is the one arm plank. So what you have to do here is place your one palm to the side. Slowly drop your hips down and straighten up the legs. Then you're going to lift your pelvis up, raise the opposite hand up and stay for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release and then switch the sides, opposite hand down, and then straighten up the legs. Slowly come up and then open up your chest. Stay there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Relax. Okay, so now we'll go for the last one, that is the L-sit hip lift. So what you have to do here is drop your palms down to the sideways of your thighs. Then slowly you're going to roll and lift your hip up and walk back. Stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take a deep inhale and exhale. We'll do this one more time. So inhale and exhale. Lift your hip up and stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Now inhale, raise your arms up, bend your knees, and exhale. Hug your knees to the chest and relax. Okay, so you can practice these asanas twice or thrice in 1 week, and you can increase the seconds according to your capacities. If you like the video, do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more. Namaste.